Static. What even is static? Well, that's what I'm here to explain to you guys. Hi, I'm Shreya and this is Decoding Code. In this video, we'll go over everything static and basically just that static keyword. Let's first look at the static method. So, static characters in books or TV shows or movies are the characters that don't really change. From the beginning of the story to the end, they haven't really changed. Their ideals, their morals, whatever makes them them hasn't changed at all, and they just kind of go through life and through the story or whatever it is without changing. It's kind of the same with static methods. So if you look at a regular method, so here we can see some methods, and they are specific to objects, and they can I guess do different things based on the different objects and return different variables and do completely different things. Like Steve's height can be completely different from Maria's height in this case. But static methods are just methods that aren't based on the object. These methods are methods based on the class and just kind of little functions that the class can do. One example is the print system.out.print. So this, we aren't creating an object for this. It's just this class system doing a function. So this would be an example of a static method because we're not creating an object and then printing something based on the object. We're just printing something using the function or method. System.out.print is an example of a static method. So let's actually try and make something here. So I've created this statement, and what I basically want to do is I want all these people to say I'm a person. So let's do that. So this is a static method, and in this method I'm basically just saying I'm a person. And also you could have static methods for, like, say if you just wanted to do some like addition or some math, then you could just make a static method because it's not based on the object of what you're doing. It's just doing the same thing for anything that you put in. So that would also work. Like if you wanted to add something, that's just sort of a function, and that could just be a static method. And printing something, same thing. You're just doing the same thing for everything that you print. So you're not really doing it object-based. So I think by this point you should sort of have an understanding of what static means. Well, I could, if I go back here, I could say something like, and it'll say here, it should be accessed in a static way. And basically it's saying I should do this. And then the little bubble, like a light bulb, right? It's basically like saying, oh, I'll give you a hint, you shouldn't probably do that. And what this is going to do is, after all of this Steve is spunky, it's going to say I'm a person. Okay, here, it'll say I'm a person. And that has really nothing to do with Steve. Because, look, oh wait, here. Look, Steve has green hair and he has 5 inches of hair and he's a tall guy, but that doesn't change the fact that he's a person, and he's saying I'm a person. So even if I said like Steve dot statement, or even just Maria dot statement, like this isn't recommended by Eclipse, but it still works. I could do this and it'll do the exact same thing for all of them, because it's basically the exact same thing each time. Because it's not based on the object, it's based on the class. And you call it with the class normally. But you can also call it with the objects. It's just that it won't do anything any different than if you called it with the class. And it would make no sense, I guess. But yeah, I hope you understood these static methods, because they can actually be pretty useful if you just want to create a class that can do simple functions, then you could create a class just with static methods, and you could do whatever you want with it. And you really don't need things that are specific to objects. Your classes can also just do functions that are not object-based as well, which is exactly what a static method is. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you understood what static means from this video, and I will come back next week with a brand new video. Like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to help it grow like a bird spreading its wings. And I hope you all have a great day. I will see you guys next week. Bye!